My dear students, in last module we discussed surface area of cube, and now in this module we will discuss the surface area of cuboid. Now see here, the lady is painting the wall of her house. Then what amount of paint is required to paint the four walls and roof of her house? How much packing paper is required to wrap this gift? What is the area of this brick? How much cardboard is used to make this fruity carton? So, for giving the answers of all these questions, we require to discuss the surface area, which will be lateral surface area and total surface area of the cuboid. We all know that cuboid is made up of 6 rectangular faces. But to find the area of lateral surface area, we need to find area of 4 walls. And we all know that faces at front and back are congruent and the side faces are also congruent. So area is length into height of the front and back wall and base into height of the side walls. Now if we add all these, we will get 2 into length into height plus breadth into height. So means 2 is common. So formula will become 2 into length plus breadth into height, which will be the lateral surface area of the cuboid. Now let's find the lateral surface area of a cuboid with length 5 cm, width 3 cm and height 2 cm. So what is the formula of lateral surface area? That is equal to 2 into length plus breadth into height. So by putting the values, we will get 2 into 5 plus 3 into 2, which is equal to, so add the numbers in bracket, we will get 2 into 8 into 2 and the answer is 32 square centimeter. And now to find total surface area of the cuboid, we need to find area of these 6 rectangular faces. We know that base and top are congruent, the side walls are congruent, front and back are congruent. So area of these 6 faces will give us total surface area, which is equal to 2 into length into breadth plus 2 into breadth into height plus 2 into length into height. So by taking out 2 common, we will get 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length, or we can say length into height. Now let's find the total surface area of a cuboid with length 6 cm, breadth 3 cm and height 4 cm. We know that formula is 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L. So by putting all these values inside the bracket, we will get 108 centimeter square after solution. And now let's recapitulate the formulas. Lateral surface area of cuboid is 2 into length plus breadth into height, and total surface area is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. I hope you understood it well. So in next module we will discuss surface area of cylinder.